Have you ever bought a brand new battery only to have it die again months later? What if I told you that most of the batteries you throw away can actually be brought back to life, and that you could save hundreds, even thousands of dollars over your lifetime? Today, I'm going to walk you through a system that's helping people recondition old batteries, save money, and even start small income streams, and most people don't even know it exists. The EZ Battery Reconditioning program is an online guide that teaches you step-by-step techniques to revive dead or old batteries that would otherwise be thrown in the trash. This includes car batteries, laptop batteries, power tool batteries, deep cycle batteries, even smaller household batteries like AA and AAA. Instead of spending money on expensive replacements, this method shows you how to recondition and reuse old batteries, saving you money and reducing waste. It's something almost anyone can do, even with no prior technical experience, using simple tools you probably already have at home. Think about how many devices, vehicles, tools, and systems in your life rely on batteries. From your car and laptop to your drill and even your solar backup systems, batteries are everywhere, and they don't come cheap. In fact, most people spend thousands of dollars over their lifetime replacing old batteries. But what if you didn't have to? What if you could bring your old batteries back to life, extend their lifespan, and save or earn money doing it? That's exactly what this program claims to help you do. And thousands of people around the world are already using it. Once you purchase the EZ Battery Reconditioning System, you get instant access to a series of digital guides. These guides walk you through the exact steps to recondition batteries, from testing and diagnosing to actually restoring them. Each guide includes clear explanations, diagrams, and instructions so you always know what to do next, even if you're not technically experienced. Whether it's a car battery, a golf cart battery, or a rechargeable battery from your power tools, the process is broken down in a way that's easy to follow. And the beauty of this, you don't need expensive equipment or specialized tools. Most of the steps use basic tools that many of us already have in our garages or workshops. But the EZ Battery Reconditioning program doesn't stop at simply teaching you how to fix batteries. It also includes additional bonus guides, such as a battery business guide that shows how you can find used batteries for free and recondition them to resell for profit, a mini course on how to extend the life of batteries before they even need reconditioning. So not only can you save money on replacements, you could potentially turn this skill into a side business, all from home. On the page itself, you'll see testimonials from people just like you, individuals who thought their batteries were beyond repair until they tried the methods in the program. One person said they saved over $400 by reconditioning just a few batteries. Another reconditioned multiple car batteries and wishes they had learned this years ago. These kinds of results aren't just numbers. They represent real savings and real skill growth that ordinary people have achieved. Now let's be honest, some people are skeptical about battery reconditioning. There are forums and discussions online where people question whether these methods always work or if it's just a gimmick. And that's important. Healthy skepticism helps you critically evaluate what you see online. The truth is, reconditioning doesn't work on every battery in every condition, and results can vary. Some old batteries might be too degraded to restore, but the program itself provides guidance on how to test batteries first, so you'll know whether it's worth attempting a reconditioning process. So who should consider this program? It's ideal for anyone who frequently replaces batteries and wants to cut costs, people who enjoy DIY projects and learning new practical skills, environmentally conscious folks who want to reduce waste, entrepreneurs and side hustlers looking for a possible income opportunity. It's not a guaranteed magic solution, but for many people, it's a practical, cost-saving tool that delivers value. Today on the page, you can get instant access to the full EZ Battery Reconditioning program, including the main guides and all the bonus content, for a one-time price that's a fraction of what you'd spend replacing even one battery. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the methods yourself, risk-free. So before you spend another dollar on a new battery, or throw away the ones you already have, click the link below and check out EZ Battery Reconditioning. You might just be surprised at how much money you can save and what skill you can learn along the way.